Hold on. What's going on, everybody? Back to brand new Roblox video. That's my intro. Anyways, back to a brand new Roblox video. He's out of his costume because he flew across the map. But anyways, we are in a group call, and well, we are on a Roblox call because you can't see it. I deleted like the little talking sign, but he's right here. Today our goal is to put the highest bounty. So like, we're gonna put, how much money can we get? That's our goal today.
I'm thinking about $10,000.
$10,000. Alright, let's start. Let's go ahead. He's got the key card. Whoops, I'm going wrong way.
Little the top of you.
This says noob. Don't just ignore that noob sign. I don't even know why I got that sign.
Oh, why beat you?
I don't know why. I didn't know what to say. And next over most of the
You want to hop in my car?
Well, I want to go out. Oh, never mind. So today we're gonna grab 2 different cars. So I'm gonna get in his car while he takes me to my pickup truck. So we have big trucks. Or we can have bikes.
No, I'm gonna get NOS from my car.
So he's gonna take me to my pickup truck. I think, do you want to get our bikes? I mean, it's on the way, like to the city.
It'd probably be easier just to drive cars.
Yeah, it'd be a lot easier. So we don't need to be locking any cars, because last time we had bikes and we had to lock them, so we didn't know who, so we knew whose was whose. And he's gonna be customizing mine. He's gonna drive this car, and I'm gonna drive the pickup truck. No. Are you trying to explode that or something? Upgrade my pickup truck. You said you can't rabbit. I'm already rabbiting. So we need to go to the criminal base to get some my costume off so it looks right. Get out. I'll take you to your car.
Wait, go the other way.
Get your car.
Yeah, go that way. The other way.
Get your car.
Yeah, my car is back that way, behind you. Not that car.
Pickup truck?
No, we're going that way. Turn right up here.
This way? Or this way?
Turn right on this road.
Turn right! This car? Wow, it's a pretty cool car. Alright. It's not fair. I'm waiting to buy.
So what we got in place?
You need to tell me you had that car. Ah, why is that building halfway through the ground? Why is our building halfway through the ground? Haha, faster than you. Door's open.
Wait, don't touch anything.
Car through. Getting hurt. Never our goal today, boys. Well, and girls, well, whoever's watching this video. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm robbing this one. I need to get 2,000. Yeah.
So, do you wanna cut it until we get done with this robbery?
Yeah, guys, we're gonna cut it until we get done with this robbery. See you guys in a minute. Well, guys, I died, so I'm back at this criminal base. Question, Hawk, could you, like, stay there and with my pickup truck or something, or what?
Sure, I have to go flying into it.
Oh, don't go flying to it, it's not that far.
Yeah, Yeah, it's pretty far.
It's not that far?
It is pretty far.
It's not that far because I knew where it was when I left and when I died at the jewelry store.
Where did you go?
On my way.
Okay. Wait, I need to stop at the donut shop. No, my car disappeared.
You know what? I'm just gonna bring the pickup truck and we'll get you a car again. You know, I'm gonna turn around so you don't have to walk out the jewelry store. Oh no, you're right there! Okay, let go exhaust and floor it. Woo! Nice car.
Did you pick up truck? Did you pick up truck?
I'm at the donut shop. Bye.
I can't find my. It smells funny. Sorry. Okay. Anyways.
Bring the pickup truck here. We'll stay at
I'm
the
trying to change. You have to come to me.
Oh yeah, just stay there at the pickup truck. Keep popping in and out. I'm coming.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Where's you at? Where you at?
I'm coming to pick up to where your car is at. Where your car where they spawned at.
Oh god, I'm out of fuel. This is good. You need to get off. Hurry.
You already left?
No, hurry. Go.
Hit the soccer mom! I just hit the soccer ball onto the road and now it's back off the road.
How about boost?
No, that's not fair. You have Robux.
I have 0 now.
Ah, I flipped the car. Just go a little bit faster here. Camaro's too slow. Oh, dang it. I thought I was gonna fly.
Okay, so, what do you say about cutting the video until we get into a robbery?
Yeah, we'll do that. Alright, see you guys in a little bit. Oh, and if we don't get to finish this video, guys, then there'll be a part 2. Cutting the video. Oops. Okay, guys, we're gonna be cutting this video really, well, not really short, but we're gonna cut the video until we get to the museum. Well, you know what? It's 8 minutes in this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a part 2. I hope you guys have a beautiful night and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.